Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I have another video for you guys. So I purchased these stickers from Versed Planning. So we have the rainbow that matches the Kellofaplan. So they did a collab, and then there's neutral ones. So I already showed you guys the one from Kellofaplan, but we'll do a matchup at the end to see which stickers go with which. I'm gonna go through the one from the Versed Planning first, and then we'll go back and match it up. So this is red clearly, and so you get technically 2 pages of each sticker. However, the dolls, the shades of the skin change, so you get a light and a dark, which is fantastic. I love that she does that. So then we have orange, and I wonder if these will be like in order or if you're gonna have to kind of switch and look for the book. So we have yellow, green, blue, pink, another blue. Look at that. I love the feather. This one is just a single page, and the pink one is just a single page. The purple, let's see. Okay, the purple is double. And then we have a peachy color. Look at these peaches, so cute. And then this one, which is kind of like a turquoise and lots of other things, right? So kind of cool. Let me show you the neutral one, which I'm super excited about because neutral dolls are so hard to find. And look, my book is falling apart already. So same thing, you're basically getting 2 pages of each collection, except the dolls, the shade of the skin changes. But look how pretty. So if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you've been here before and you're coming back, thank you so much. I know that a lot of you guys enjoy the flip throughs and my collections, which I love doing for you guys. So then we're gonna flip through the other ones, like I said, and kind of see if they match up. So then we'll talk a little bit more about it. I am not an affiliate of either of these companies. I used to be an affiliate of Versed Planning. I used to be on her PR team or design team for a short while. And then those are just, they go through like quarters, I guess. So, okay, let me put this one since I'm focusing on that one today, and then this one next to it, and we can match them up. So red, yeah, that definitely matches. Look at that. Then we have orange. Okay, that's missing like the purple in here, but that's okay. Then we have yellow, very much a match. The florals. Then green, yeah, that's correct. So they're going in order, which is cool. Okay. Then it's this blue. Okay, that kind of matches. I see that, I see that. Actually, it matches this one way more. Interesting. Okay. And then we have another blue. Okay, so there is a pink one. Oh my gosh, my pages are falling out, you guys. Okay, so there's a pink one that I'm missing, but I'm sure that this blue is supposed to match this blue. And then the other one is maybe the one at the end that's teal. Like this one would match up this one. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, so that makes just more sense to me. So this is the other blue, which yes. See how there's the lights and the darks? Like that matches. Whoa. And then purple. Definitely the same hues and colors. Kind of fun. Like it's fun to have all of these like different elements to add into these books. Okay, so that was the peach. I think the pink that we were missing, like this one, look how well they match. And I wonder if the peach and the pink are supposed to like go together maybe? No, so this is the pink, I think, that matches this, right? Because look at the colors, like very, very light pink. And then there is the peach. Look at that, right? That makes more sense. And then we get into the teal, which I showed you that was in there prior. Okay, so that is the rainbow one. And let's go through the neutral one. Hopefully the books don't fall apart on me. This one, when I went through this, I'm going to have to search for you guys because this one does not go in order. So we're going to find the one that's supposed to match this. And then I'll show you what I think. You guys let me know if you know otherwise. I am making this up clearly, right? Okay, so to me, this one and this one go together, right? Because look, it's like nude with the greenish, and then that is in here as well. So let's take a look at this one. So I think this one goes together as well, actually. So the yellow and the browns, like that is definitely a match. This one, yellow and gold, so they're going like middle of the book maybe? I don't know. It's kind of different. Right? This one matches pretty well too with maybe, I don't know, let's see. Maybe, maybe not. No, I think this one not. So let me find what I think matches. So I think actually this matches pretty well. And then this one matches kind of this one, right? Because of the darker and like the fallish colors in here. So I think that's very pretty. And again, you don't have to use them for fall, just don't use the leaves and you're good to go. Then we need a pinkish one, like a pinkish hue, and I saw it. So I'm just gonna be like digging through the book a little bit, you guys, okay? So then we have this, which is like a pink mauve, which is beautiful, right? Look at that. That matches so well. And then we have another black one. I think this is this one because it has like the grayish and the browns. Like, look how pretty, right? But again, you could do whatever you want. I don't know which one is this supposed to be because I thought I paired up this one already, but maybe it has two like different pairings in here. I don't know. And then this one could go with this. Let me see, or this, like either one. There's also like a different brown in here, I think. It could go with this, so like any brown. So that's kind of fun too, that you can pair them up like that. And then this black one, I truly think that this is meant for this set. Look at that. So, sorry to be jumping around on the book a little bit. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I did pretty well pairing them up, or if you think that they're going differently. I'm always curious to see what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining me today and spending this time with me. I truly, truly appreciate you guys and can't wait to hear your thoughts and comments and let me know what you think. As always, bye.